Now here's a ceiling fan you don't often see on YouTube. At least I haven't seen any video of one. That's an Emerson industrial fan. Sometimes I hear them called heat fans. I don't know why they call them that. There's no heat or heater in there at all. It does have a great big start capacitor at the top of the motor. And it's actually an industrial motor that they converted into a ceiling fan. The blades are made of like a fibrous material. They're not quite fiberglass, but they're not wood either. Like a plastic. I guess you could call them plastic blades. That's probably closest analogy. They're plastic blades. It's got a bit of a wobble. We'll turn it on and high. It's on a variable speed switch. We'll just take it all the way down to low. Take it back up to medium. And back up to high. I did actually turn it off. We'll be here a month of Sundays until it stops. Now the fans like this I've always seen did not have a pull chain. They had an on and off switch. There's a toggle switch on the side there. This is actually the first one I've seen with a pull chain on it. It's still spinning. I don't know if you can see those blades. They are a fibrous plastic kind of blade, made to look like wood. This video is going to be too long. Nobody's going to watch it. Still turning. Still turning. Oh, there it stopped. Holy crap. We'll get a close up of this sound, I guess. We'll turn it back on high. Okay, we're not going to wait for it to slow down this time. The blades are really heavy. It took a lot to stop that, believe it or not. I'll see if I can't get up on top there and show the tag. Oh, of course, that would be upside down, wouldn't it? And then this canopy here, there we are. I don't think that's the canopy for the ceiling. I think that's the canopy for this here. Ooh, that motor's hot. Is that what they call it, a heat fan? Freaking motor is hot. Why are you hot? Freaking hot to the touch. It has been running all day though. That is really, really hot. Maybe that's why they call it a heat fan. I don't know. But the pull chain actually doesn't work properly. It right now it's on high. If you click it again, it's off, 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 and then high again. I haven't bothered to take that off to see why yet. But anyway, there you go. Emerson Industrial Ceiling Fan. Thanks for watching.